If you're a law student in California, you've probably heard the whispers, or maybe the all-out shouting, about the 2025 bar exam meltdown. Let's break down what happened, why it matters, and what it means for anyone aiming to practice law in the Golden State. So picture this. February 2025. The State Bar rolls out a brand new hybrid format for the bar exam. You could choose in-person or remote testing. Sounds like progress, right? Convenience, flexibility, maybe even a little cost saving. But as it turns out, convenience is only convenient when it works. First, the tech failed. Big time. Login errors locked out hundreds of exam takers. Some of them never even got to start their test. For those who did, the system crashed mid-exam, randomly booting people out. Imagine writing a critical essay, only to have the copy and paste function glitch out, and now you're stuck retyping everything while the clock ticks down. Some proctors tried to help, but that just added another layer of stress. Mid-exam distractions, inconsistent security checks, and instructions that seemed to contradict each other left people confused and on edge. Out of over 5,600 registered candidates, more than 960 withdrew before exam day, and I don't blame them. But the chaos didn't stop with the tech. Here's where things get really wild. The State Bar quietly used artificial intelligence to help write dozens of the multiple-choice questions. Yep, you heard that right. AI, not lawyers or subject matter experts, but algorithms, drafted part of the test. You need to become a lawyer. About 23 of the scored questions came straight from an AI system, with another chunk partly AI-assisted. Some questions were even recycled from a first-year law exam. And while the State Bar says every question was reviewed for fairness and accuracy, they didn't tell the California Supreme Court about the AI until after the fact. So, what happened next? Lawsuits. One class action suit targeted the exam software vendor, Measure Learning, for all those technical failures. The State Bar itself avoided legal heat, at least for now, partly because of government immunity rules. The chaos didn't end there, though. A leaked essay question meant the big retake, scheduled for March, had to be pushed back, again, sending everyone's stress through the roof. Now, with all this fallout, the July 2025 bar exam will be in-person only. No more remote option, at least for now. Lawmakers are demanding audits, and the State Bar faces a mountain of criticism, angry students, and a $22 million budget hole. So, what's the lesson? If you're prepping for the bar, be ready for curveballs. Keep your tech skills sharp, your nerves steady, and your eyes on the State Bar's every move. Because in the world of law, the only certainty is that change, and sometimes chaos, are always part of the test.